Hello everyone, welcome back to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to enable restricted mode on TikTok. So watch this video till the end. First, open up your TikTok app. Then tap on Profile that is on the bottom right corner of your screen. Once you are on your profile, tap on three horizontal line that is on the top right corner of your screen. A menu bar will pop up. Tap on Settings and Privacy. On the Settings and Privacy page, tap on Content Preferences. There you will see two options. Tap on Restricted Mode. As you can see, Restricted Mode is turned off. Tap on Turn On. It will ask you to set a passcode. Type any number you want. Then tap on Next. To confirm the passcode, type the number again. Then tap on Set. So that is how you enable restricted mode on TikTok. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon on our channel so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.